OpenAI just launched ChatGPT Atlas, and if you're wondering whether your favorite Chrome extensions still work, the answer is yes. Built on Chromium, Atlas supports your extensions right out of the box. Here's how to get them up and running. Visit chatgpt.com/Atlas to download the browser. Note that Atlas is currently available for macOS only. Download the installer and sign in with your ChatGPT account. Note that if you have multiple ChatGPT accounts, like a personal account and a team workspace, you'll need to choose which one to use. This connects your ChatGPT history and preferences to the browser, so conversations can draw on past context. During setup, you'll see an option to import from Chrome or Safari. Check this box to bring over your bookmarks, passwords, and browsing history. This won't affect your experience in Chrome. Once Atlas is installed, you can now set up your extensions with just a few clicks. Click the blue profile icon in the upper right corner of Atlas, then select Manage All Extensions. If you see your extensions listed here, they're ready to use. If you don't see them, go to My Extensions. On the left panel, you'll see Discover more extensions and themes on the Chrome Web Store. Find the extension you want. For example, my favorite Chrome extension is Tactiq. The extension will install immediately and appear in your Atlas extensions list. The Chrome Web Store treats Atlas like any other Chromium browser, so the process is identical to installing extensions in Chrome. After installing Tactiq on ChatGPT Atlas, I can now start using it for my calls. Tactiq transcribes calls on Google Meet, Zoom, and Microsoft Teams to capture live transcripts. It also creates AI-powered summaries and highlight key points, all while you focus on the conversation. Try Tactiq free at tactiq.io and subscribe to the latest ChatGPT features.